Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NEET MCQs 2021, and today we are going to discuss some rest of the MCQs of chapter 3, that is Plant Kingdom. So let's start without any wasting time. Okay. In this question you can see two columns are given and we have to match out with right answers. So here you can see first is Phyophyceae. So it is basically a type of algae and it have basically asexual reproduction by biflagellate zoospores. Okay, so now we have to move second one is Rhodophyceae. So it is basically a red algae, and in red algae examples are given in fourth column, so this is correct. For mosses have basically elaborate mechanism, so option A. The last one is pteridophytes. So pteridophytes basically first terrestrial plant with vascular tissue, phloem and xylem. So option A is correct for this question. Now we have to move next question. In this question, in column 1, some system of classification is given, and in column 2 some characteristics are given. So here also we have to match the right one. So first is artificial system. So artificial system is basically based on morphological characters. So option A for first for option A. Okay. Natural system. So natural system is basically based on external and internal structure both. So this is third one. It is basically based on natural affinities among the organisms and considered external as well as internal features. Okay. And the third one is phylogenetic system of classification. So as you know, phylogenetic classification is basically based on evolutionary history, okay? Or we can say based on evolutionary relationships between the various organisms. So here, correct option for this question is option B. Now we have to move on. Next question. So in this question, we have also matched the right one with column 2. First is smallest flowering plant. So it is basically Wolfia. Male cell sex organ in flowering plants, it is stamen. Third is female sex organ in flowering plants. It is basically pistil. And the last one is tallest tree. So tallest tree is eucalyptus. Okay. So correct option for this is option C. A second, B third, and C fourth, and the last one is D one. Yeah, option C is correct. Now we have to move on. Next question. In this question also we have to match the right answers. So in column 1A, in column 1 A is amphibian of the plant kingdom. So it is basically bryophytes. Okay, bryophytes are mainly known as amphibians of plant kingdom. Now second one is specialized structure in liverworts for asexual reproductions. So it is basically gamma. Okay, and the third one is monocotyledons and angiosperms. Sorry, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. These are basically angiosperms. So option second. The last one is a plant which has capacity to holding water. So it is basically sphagnum. Sphagnum, okay. So here the correct option for this is option B. A third, yes. B fourth, yes. C second, yes, and the D is first, yes. This is correct option. Now we have to move next question. So here you can see some diagrams are given and these diagrams are related to algae. So here we have to find the correct name of these diagrams. So you can see first one. So first one is what? So first one is of Porifera, okay? And this is basically a structure of fucus. And the third one is of Dictyota, and the last one is of Polysiphonia. So the correct option for this is option A. Now we have to move on next question. So in this question, the given figures represent the example of bryophytes, and in them few structure parts are marked A, B, C, D. So here we have to find the label parts. Okay, A, B, C, D. So here A is what? It is archegoniopore. Okay, and the B is a gamma cup. Okay, and in funaria the C part is basically known as gametophyte, and in option D this is basically what? It is a spagum. Okay, it is a spagum. Water holding capacities are found in spagum, so this is spagum. So for this question, option which is correct? Option B is correct. Now we have to move on next question. So this question, in this question, a universal feature of life cycle of plant is morphologically identical haploid and diploid stages. Second is genetically identical haploid and diploid stages. Third is alternation of generation between heteromorphic haploid gametophytes and diploid sporophytes, or none of the above. So the correct option for this is option C. A universal feature of life cycle of plants, basically alternation of generations between heteromorphic haploid gametophytes and diploid sporophytes. So option C is correct. Now we have to move on next question. In this question, a student was given a sample to observe under the microscope. He observed and found that sample is most common type of spore involved in asexual reproduction in algae. So here we have to identify the spore. So it is basically a zoospore. Okay. Now we have to move next question. So this question is, place the following groups of plant in order beginning with those that first appeared on earth and progressing toward those that appeared most recently in time. So here we have to find which appear first. Okay, in the beginning. So what come first? Uh, in column 1, gymnosperm, angiosperm, ferns, moss, algae. Option B, algae, then moss, ferns, gymnosperms, the angiosperm. Yeah, option B is correct actually, because first algae are come, then moss, then ferns, then gymnosperm, and finally angiosperms. So option B is correct. Now we move to question next one. So in this question you are given a unknown plant to study in the laboratory. You find that it has chlorophyll, no xylem. Its multicellular sex organs are enclosed in a layer of jagged cells. Its gametophyte stage is free living. The plant body probably belongs to. So it is basically a features of bryophytes. That's why option B is correct. Okay. So I hope you got some important MCQs and these are very beneficial to you. So keep going. And please subscribe our channel and share also. Thank you.